Welcome to today's garage, and you catch me out here in the dark working on the Granada. You can see the hood. Yesterday, actually 2 days ago, I was at the store, pulled up to the gas station, was sitting there for a while, and a friend of mine came and just pointed at a puddle on the ground. Because this thing was peeing water. And, well, this is the water pump. You can see up underneath here, just underneath my thumb down here, there's a hole. That leads straight into the axle for this, and that's where it's been peeing out water. Which means this water pump is most likely shot. I'm guessing this one is stock, probably, off the engine. The engine is from 75. But the thing I wanted to show you, down here, this engine has been rebuilt, so the water pump has been off of it at some point. But when you do it like this, you see gasket silicone everywhere. Because even here, this is inside of a cooling jacket, inside a cooling channel actually. It's silicone poking in. That's not good. Now I've been tearing silicone out of everything, even here, thermostat. There was the gasket silicone wrapped around these springs, which is definitely not good. So if you're ever doing anything like this, keep the gasket silicone out of water cooling jackets or channels. So I'm going to try to get this gasket off in one piece and try to make a new one. Yesterday I was out to the old 2.3 and yanked the water pump out of that, since they are pretty much the same engine. You know, it's a Cologne V6. This has got really dark. Cologne V6 and Cologne V6, of course. The 2.6 block is a 2.3 block, just bored up. No, it's not bored, it's stroked. So this water pump I can see is actually aftermarket. The one off of the 2.3, that's aftermarket. This is lighter even than this is, because this feels seriously heavy compared to this one. So I'm guessing this is cast aluminum. And this one is cast metal, steel. So this one being a lot lighter, well, hey, performance gains. Let's wait. And I might actually have some cooling working. So, I'm gonna slap this thing back together now, and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in a later video. Take care.